So, the first step is to get your website. So, I'm going to show you how now. The first thing you want to do is head over to slowbanana.com. To get a website on SlowBanana, you just need to click on this button or on Pricing tab in the top menu. You can see there's 3 types of packages. If you choose the small one, you will be able to create one-page website without a blog. Perfect for a personal page or landing page. If you need more than one page and maybe a blog, then the medium one will be perfect for you. But if you need something customized, for example, custom design, custom functions, or even an e-commerce website, then you can choose the special one and fill in the form for a custom quote. Like I mentioned before, we have a huge amount of layout designs where you can choose the one you love most or the one that suits you best. If you want to preview the layouts before you select, then you just need to click on Quick View. You can easily see how it looks like even on different devices. Let's see some of the other layouts. Let's check this one. I love it. I'm going to select it. Now we just need to fill the information about business type. If you don't find your business type, then just choose Other. Write the business name. Then the cool part here. If you need a new domain name, just write your domain name and check if it's available. Otherwise, if you already have a domain name, then just click on I have a domain. Let's complete the information name, email, and phone number. Then click on Agree Terms and Conditions. And we're ready to proceed and pay.